taxpayers in New York are urged to take advantage of free e-file programs and payment relief options to avoid penalties and interest. The New York State Department of Taxation and Finance reminds residents that the tax deadline is rapidly approaching on Tuesday, April 15, 2025, at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Act now to avoid penalties. The acting commissioner, Amanda Hiller, emphasized the importance of taking action ahead of the tax filing deadline. Ahead of tax filing deadline, April 15th, we encourage taxpayers to visit our website at www.taxny.gov for last-minute tax filing assistance. This proactive approach can help residents avoid the negative consequences of late filing, including penalties and interest. Free filing options. A key to easy tax submission. New York State offers several free e-file programs that cater to different income levels and linguistic needs. Taxpayers can benefit from Direct File, available to taxpayers earning less than $200,000 or $250,000 for joint filers. This user-friendly platform allows you to file both federal and New York State returns from any device in English or Spanish. Free file software. If you meet specific income requirements, you may qualify for free federal and state tax filing through participating software providers listed on the New York Tax Department website. Other free options. Even if you're ineligible for direct file or free file, you may still qualify for other free e-filing options. For full eligibility details, visit www.tax.ny.gov. Additional resources for last-minute filers. The Tax Department has extended hours at its Personal Income Tax Call Center, a filing season resource center with answers to frequently asked questions, online tools to check estimated tax payment balances, and a Check Your Refund app to track your New York State refund status. These resources can help taxpayers navigate the tax filing process and address any last-minute concerns. Payment relief options for those in need. For individuals who cannot pay their full tax balance, the state offers payment plans and flexible options. Filing the return on time is essential to minimize penalties, even if payment plans are not feasible. The state's payment relief options can help alleviate financial burdens and make the tax filing process more manageable. Shifting economic policies and tax implications. The 2025 tax season coincides with significant economic policy shifts in the United States, including President Donald Trump's reindustrialization agenda and IRS restructuring. As a result, experts recommend filing accurately and on time to avoid audits or enforcement actions. Furthermore, the ongoing financial uncertainty faced by many Americans underscores the importance of understanding tax options and seeking guidance. Key takeaways. The IRS tax deadline is April 15, 2025, at 11:59 p.m. File using direct file, free file, or other free e-file options if eligible. Visit www.taxny.gov for guidance, videos, and multilingual support. Request an extension if needed, but pay your estimated tax bill to avoid fees. File even if you can't pay to minimize penalties and interest. Stay informed about tax deadlines, IRS changes, and their impact on everyday Americans through our ongoing tax coverage. Additional tips for a stress-free tax season. If you're facing financial uncertainty or struggling to pay your tax balance, here are some valuable tips to keep in mind. Consult with a tax professional to discuss your options and create a personalized plan. Take advantage of free e-file programs and payment relief options to minimize penalties and interest. Stay organized and keep track of your tax documents and deadlines. Stay informed about tax changes and updates through reputable sources. Frequently asked questions. The New York State Tax Department answers frequently asked questions on its website.